Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert symbol in MS Word. So very easily you can insert any symbol in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now in the last you find this option or see this option symbol. So click on it. Now more symbols, just click on it. And here you see there's so many symbols are there. So select you need to insert any symbol. So just click on it or double tap on it to insert it like this. So double tap or just select it and click on insert and close it. So this way you can very easily insert symbols in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and like this video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.